In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Basic to Advanced level. In this lecture, I will solve Introduction to Computing CS 101 code question, that is, determine the largest positive value which can be incorporated or represented using the 8-bit floating point notation. Now we find the largest positive value. The sign bit is equal to 0 and the exponent and the mantissa bit is maximum at 0.1 sign bit. Since for positive value the sign bit equal to 0. Point 2, exponent bits. The exponent has 3 bits to represent the largest positive value equal to 1. Point 3, mantissa bit. The mantissa bit contains 4 bits. It is used to represent the value equal to 1. Hence the destination of 8-bit representation, the largest positive value, that is sign bit, is equal to 0. Exponent bits is equal to 3 digit, that is 111. Mantissa bits is equal to 4 digit, that is 1111, which is the required solution. So the 8 largest positive value is incorporated is 0 1 1 1 1 1 1, that is the 8 digits, which is the required solution. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube.